just a little film, this one. I love this event every year. It's an annual event, the Pedro Motor Show and Drive Out, which starts opposite here, Dora's, the Explorers, and that Dora's bar in the Cinta, cracking little bar. And yeah, all the cars, and as you can see, even vintage tractors and stuff pull up into this little hamlet, where there's a registration kiosk. It takes them about an hour and a half, hour and 3/4 to all kind of get assembled. As you can see, lots of nice music. I noticed this year they've had the addition of a nice little churro stand as well, so you can come over and have lovely churros and chocolate sauce for breakfast. Hannah's little lad here coming out for a day. Now that'd be bloody irritating driving down the road, wouldn't it? And look, you can see not all the cars are kind of vintage classics, but there's a nice mix of all the different ones. Now we're getting to it. These are more my cup of tea, age-appropriate vehicles. Oh, wonderful little touring cars. So yeah, they all drive into this kind of little hamlet, which is what, 5 minutes outside of Arboleas centre, park up, let everyone have a decent look, and then engines on and they all go for a ride out around the whole Almanzora Valley with a nice lunch. What I love about this event is a whole kind of mix of owners here, you know, obviously a lot of Spanish, but I've bumped into some clients of mine from the UK and from Belgium who brought their nice classics along as well. Now something very close to my own heart, a little Vitesse. Oh, I used to own one of these many years ago. What a car that is. Been here for about an hour now and still the cars are arriving, so I don't know how many more are coming. This little sleepy hamlet suddenly springs into life. And it's only 11:15 in the morning, guys. Look at the sunshine, it's October. Wow. Don't know what that is, but it's very beautiful. Perhaps you car buffs can tell me. Check out this lovely Corvette. Very nice. Jackson on his travels.